Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and narrowing the grid to search. This saves hours. Once you have permission, mark the coordinates and set your GPS to a 1.5-meter accuracy mode. Bring a magnetometer and a metal detector tuned for low conductivity targets because Lumenspar shows subtle signatures. Put on gloves and label sample bags before digging so you avoid cross-contamination. Make sure to photograph reference points. Those images speed later mapping and reporting. Begin sweeping along parallel transects, 2 to 4 meters apart, and keep the detector at a steady height for consistent readings. When you hit an anomaly, stop and mark it with a flag, then log the GPS point, take a photo, and note signal strength and suspected depth. Once flagged, verify with a small probe or hand auger. If permitted, use a portable spectrometer or simple reagent test to check composition. These steps let you separate true Lumenspar from junk quickly. When you excavate, do it slowly to preserve layering and note the depth of each find. This helps explain why the mineral accumulated there. Once you expose a candidate, photograph it in situ, bag and label the sample with coordinates and descriptive notes, and run a confirmatory test. If you come up empty, expand your grid by 10 to 20% and repeat the systematic scans. Troubleshooting tip: if weak signals persist, switch detectors or lower sweep speed. False negatives often come from speed and setting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.